Hi Vincent, due to this COVID pandemic, we are unable to arrange a farewell party and therefore doing a digital farewell. I am grateful to have worked under your leadership. I have learned a lot which really helped me to become a better person. You empowered us with the power of knowledge. You motivated us with the best guidance. You help us move ahead with unending motivation. Thank you for your positive vibes and seeing the good in person. It has inspired so many of us to work harder than we could ever. On your last day, I thank you for being a great mentor. You will be missed when you leave. Wishing you all the best. Stay in touch. Thank you.
One thing that stands out in mind is always that meeting in Coimbatore with the LGB promoter, where the feedback from him to his CFO was that he's met very few people who were so well informed of the industry and his company. And he was so impressed. So it was great working with you, and thanks for all your support. We'll definitely be missing you. Please do keep in touch. God bless you. All the very best.
Hi, Vincent. It's pretty sad to think that the time has come to say goodbye to you at RBL. I really enjoyed my association and working with you. You're an extremely well-read, encyclopedic person, enormous thirst for knowledge, and a very, very high degree of professionalism. So whenever I remember you, it will be these attributes that come to my mind, and these are areas where I wish to emulate you and imbibe some of these qualities. You have an amazing ability to call a spade and as logical can be, and a very issue based and a fair person, and I'm sure nobody will disagree that these are your strengths and these are your attributes. We wish you all the best for your future. Look forward to remaining in touch with you, and all the best.
Hi Vincent, so it's time to say goodbye to you. Goodbye from RBL, not goodbye otherwise. I'm sure we'll be connected. It's been wonderful working with you, Vincent. You've definitely been one of the most, if not the most demanding bosses I've ever worked with. But I've learned a lot from you. I still remember the motto you once told me that Devika, set very high standards, be uncompromising, self-critical, and never be fully satisfied. And I think you, more than us, live by that. And it's been a pleasure. I've learned a lot, I've grown a lot, come into my own under your leadership. And like I said, you are somebody who gives us direction, doesn't micromanage, is very apolitical, and just lets us do our work and is standing by us and defending our decisions. So what more do you want? So it's been an absolute pleasure. Here's wishing you and Yasmin, Aditya and Vedika a very happy stay in Singapore. May it be blessed and successful. Don't compare it to Dubai. It's not the same. It's not as cosmopolitan. But hope that it'll be wonderful. All the very best to you. Ciao.
Hi Vincent, on your special farewell, I just want to send one small message that Vivi is the best boss I have ever met. Super human being, super brain, all superlatives, and very good by heart. What I am today, that is just because of you within RBL. I'll miss you, sir, and wish you all the very best for your new venture and new assignment.
So finally the time has come, is it? Our relationship goes much beyond RBL, and I know it will continue to be like this even now. But I still want to take this opportunity to thank you for all the opportunities, support and motivation that you have been giving me all through. You have been my go-to and a rock solid support. You know you are going to be missed, but we will still stay in touch and will also discuss UAE market at length always. Wishing you load of luck for your new venture. We all know that you're going to be super successful there too. My best wishes to Yasmin, Adi and Vedika for a wonderful new life.
thanks boss for giving all the opportunities to me, having faith in me, and making me a better RM, better person, and kind of following the lead so that others can follow. By leading by example was a good thing as far as I saw in you, helped me push myself much more than what I used to. I always say this line, you know, चलते चलते एक गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Hope that our paths cross again for good, and if God willing, would like to work with you again. What comes to mind, first thing in mind about Vincent? So, well, first thing, obviously, Sher Khan was, I don't know whether you're aware of or not, but we used to call you Sher Khan. And yeah, Dawn summarizes each and every aspect about you. And favorite line of yours, which you lot of times used to tell me, Kalpesh, beyond a point there is no democracy. So at times, yeah, it works because you need to get work done. And yeah, wish you all the best, sir. Hope you get all the success, peace, happiness that you desire for. And yeah, be in touch. A session is pending, sir. I hope you remember. Hopefully, we would have it before you go on for your next job. All the best.
Hi Vincent. So, a journey with you in Arbank is going to end, and the time has come to bid adieu. I still remember the earlier days when we were just joined and we were informing the clients about your joining. All those clients who knew you already would tell us that you are a great human being in addition to a seasoned banker. I think this is a fact which no one can deny. After your joining, I also came to know one thing, that for beginners there is encyclopedia, for intermediate there is Wikipedia, and for advanced level there is Principedia. I wish you and your family a great luck for a new inning in Singapore, and I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you.
The deja vu farewell was like, it's just that it happened 7 to 8 years back in City and now in RBL. With you, it's been, working with you, it's been a learning curve. We learned so much. I think no one can do commercial banking as good as you. The knowledge that you have about commercial banking and about clients and about industry is something every one of us look forward to learn and to be like you. Just wanted to say all the best. I'm sure the guys in your new organization does not know what's sitting there, but they'll also have good memories of you working with you. All the best. Wish you well. Hashtag encyclopedia.
The thing which I like the most about you is the free hand you give to your team. You let them experiment, you let them learn from their own mistakes, and you appreciate them whenever they do good. Trust me, that turns out to be a really motivating factor. I really wish you achieve even more success in your life. I'm so proud to share the alma mater with you, and I'm so proud to have a boss like you in my career. All the very best. Thank you.
I'm really very sad that my mentor in RBL is not going to be in RBL anymore. Having said that, I want to tell you that I am always going to be bothering you with my WhatsApps, you like it or not. Every time I'm going to be confused, lost, and I need some direction, I'm going to reach out to you. And I know that you, being you are going to always be there. And I really want to thank you for being such an amazing boss to me. And I've learned so much from you that, and I'm not just saying it, I really have learned a lot from you, and I've actually made a list of it also, the top 5 in my name. I'm going to do a cliched acting of doing it in your tone. Number one, postman mat bano yaar. Apply yourself. Be a transactor, not a courier. Number two, sales करना है ना तो चिपकू बनेगा. The true salo is a true चिपकू. Number three, keep reading. Try and develop yourself. How many subscriptions you have, huh? What is your client database? Who are their competitors? Who are their suppliers? What is the supply chain? What are the other banks doing? How are they doing it differently? किधर है ये सब? Do you have any answers to this? Number 4, keep reinventing yourself. Otherwise, you're boring and outdated माल किसी को नहीं चाहिए. And lastly, number 5, please learn to segregate facts and facts. Not everything that everyone says is truth. I think the list goes on, but why bore with your own statements? All I want to say is that, Vincent, if I become even 20% of what you are, if I imbibe 20% of your discipline, your organization capabilities and capacity to hold knowledge, I think I will arrive in life. So I just want to say all the best, sir. All the best for new journey that you're about to begin, and I'm definitely going to miss you.
Okay. Hi Vincent, hope all is well. Sad you're leaving us. Just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for believing and having faith. I will never forget the positive influence you have had on me professionally as well as personally. Having you as a leader has made working here at RBL enjoyable and rewarding. Thank you for creating so many opportunities for our team and being passionate about all our well-being. I wish you good luck and success in all your endeavors. You will be missed.
Good, yeah. That is our favorite punchline, which you always made in all the pipeline calls, and that was super encouraging. We used to always look forward to hear from you that. Thanks for all the support. We will miss you. Here is wishing you a lovely and a happy life throughout. Take care, Vincent.
Hi Vincent sir, don't mind the hair, the lockdown's been around for a while. I remember you interviewing me for my job for my management trainee, and it's been an absolute delight working with you ever since. Just sitting there in multiple meetings, in your cabin, in the MCC, or just simply having a cup of chai, there's so much to learn from you. And more so, I've been very fortunate to witness the drive and the work ethic on a scale that I hope to achieve one day. You've also been very inspiring with a couple of messages on the group. Oh no, not that one. This one. So, yes, thanking you again, wishing you all the best, and hoping to run into you again and again at Phoenix. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, boss. Today RBL is losing one of its greatest assets, and it is with sadness we are saying goodbye to you. It has been great working with you. All the best for your new journey.
Good evening, everyone. I am Balasaheb Bhoje from Commercial Banking Team Kolhapur. In my 34 years service in RBL Bank, I played many innings with various captains, but found a champion in Vincent Boss. Reason being, his involvement in business even for small ticket size like Imperial Cashiers and practical approach for durations and bird eye view to capture opportunities. Daily market updates and knowledge sharing on WhatsApp. Even not forgetting single birthday of team member. And few of the qualities I must acknowledge. Thanks Vincent sir for your support and all the best for your future venture.
I have had limited interactions with you. I can proudly say that I have been heard and never been thrown out of the cabin. The other memory that I can think of is your follow the leader dance in Goa. Trust me sir, very few leaders do that. As you embark on your journey, here's wishing you all the very best and success always.
About Vincent, I'll start with an incident which I've heard about a decade back. there was a meeting with the promoter. Vincent went with the risk guy and the RM. After the meeting, the RM hears from the promoter, and promoter asks him, "Boss, should I be worried about this guy starting, competing with me in the same business?" But that is the kind of knowledge that Vincent has and the interactions that he has with promoters, because of which the clients fondly remember him, not only in his home ground, Pune, Bombay, but also in South. Another thing which really stands out is my ex-colleagues, team members, they all remember him very, very fondly and are in touch with him even today. Okay, that's possible only if you are a guy who inspires and as a leader who supports you at the right time. And I think Vincent has done that really well. I wish him all the best in his future endeavors. He will definitely do well, and I'm sure that we'll be in touch. Here at RBL, you will surely be missed, boss. All the very best, and let's hope to work together again. Thanks.
Outside the tough exterior, there has always been a soft side to the man. Who was the first person to wish each and every member of the CB team on their birthdays. Specifically, remember him doing that even during the break periods which he used to have. Say this with double lump in my throat. Thanks for all the memories. One parting request. Please do add me to your podcasting list. Thank you.
Actually, I was the one who was the most closest to Vincent sir, at least going by our office sitting arrangement. So that way I was privy to a lot of music coming out of the cabin, and I'm surely going to miss that a lot. So
any specific memory?
Specific memory, within 2 days of my joining, I had this joint visit with Vincent sir, Gauri ma'am and Fulvinder to one of our metro site projects, and it was a bit very scary, within 2 days of joining you are having a site visit with Vincent sir, and subsequent joint company visits or site visits etc. were quite light-hearted compared to most of the RMs used to dread fear for visits along with Vincent sir. So thanks a lot for that.
Farewell gift?
Farewell gift. Vincent sir has everything, so maybe I would want to put across my CV to you for future references. Anyway, thanks a lot, sir, for everything. You have been quite supportive. It was a very healthy, very good working experience under you. The way you have carried the entire team, all of us together, was very different from my previous work experiences, and I thoroughly enjoyed a lot working under you. Thanks a lot. I hope to stay connected, which I shall surely do. And it comes as a surprise. So thanks a lot. So thank you.
Hi Vincent, hope you're doing well. It was great working under you with lots of learning that has come. Thank you. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Take care.
Vincent, it's been a great experience working with you, and you're someone who has a very unique blend of intellect, of being result oriented, of being on top of everything, almost an encyclopedia, and at the same time pushing us and guiding us wherever required, and ensuring that we discover the best in ourselves. And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, and it's been a great time, and do stay in touch.
Hi Vincent, all the best for your future assignments, and it was really great working under your leadership. I will always remember your punchline, only the paranoid survive. All the best.
It's been a pleasure working with you. Wishing you all the best for your future. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your support.
Vincent, hope you are fine. Just wanted to tell you that it was wonderful working with you. You have been a great boss, and I must admit you have been terror at times, in fact many times, and God bless your new team, my sympathies with them. But honestly, I'll miss working with you, and thank you for believing in me and supporting my efforts, and for all the guidance and inspiration. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you once again for everything.
Hi Vincent, thank you for all your guidance and support to all of us. You have been an encyclopedia to all of us so far. I'm sure we'll miss all the knowledge sharing from your end. All the best for your future.
Hi Vincent. My specific memories have always been the client meetings I have done with you, either at Citi or in RBL Bank. They have always been one hell of an experience in terms of understanding the client's business, banking products, and identifying the opportunities. It was always a pleasure working with you. Wish you all the best in your new assignment and shall stay in touch with you. #Encyclopedia. Thank you.
Hi Vincent sir, I hope you're doing well and is safe with your family. I came to know that you're leaving RBL, and on hearing that actually there are a lot of memories which flushed into my mind. So I'll just share one aspect which I tried to imbibe from you, and I try to follow that in life. So prior to any MCC discussions, or be it on a random case discussion in your cabin and the multiple interactions we have had, you always used to say that you should know in and out everything that's possible on a case. So I still try to follow that aspect in life and will continue trying to do so. So thank you for all your support during my tenure at RBL, and I wish you all the best, sir. I hope our paths shall cross again. Thank you, sir.
Hi Vincent, it was nice working with you in the second organization. You have always been a good boss and good friend too. Thank you for always giving us the encouragement and support you gave it to me. Thank you for always pushing us beyond our boundaries and to work and think out of box. I'm pretty sure wherever you go, success will follow you. All the very best for your next plan, and I hope to stay in touch with you. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Hey boss, Lokesh here. There are a lot of speculations. The final day is here, so just wanted to wish you all the best and convey my deepest gratitude for taking me as a part of your team. It was a huge risk and a brave call by you, so thanks a lot. I'll remember a lot of conversations which I had with you, and they have really helped keep your wittiness, tinge of sarcasm, and unsatiable hunger for the knowledge. Wishing you all the best. Thanks. Bye.
During this tenure, I learned a lot from you. You are a true inspirational leader. I would like to thank you for your guidance, your support during this time, and also learned many things, especially the office discipline and the knowledge you shared. It's tremendous. I would like to wish you all the best for your future. Hopefully our career path crosses sometime in future.
With respect to your moving on to, obviously it's going to be an experience that we've cherished. I have cherished learning from you over the last 3 years that we've joined together on the similar time we've joined this bank. And all the best for your future endeavors, and I'm sure you will do as well there as you've done here or in your previous jobs or previous stints.
Hi Vincent, with your depart, of course it's a big loss to us. Learned a lot from you, and I'm very sure that your new workplace is going to be in a good boss now, so you surely will be missed, and all the best for your future.
Thank you Vincent for being a great mentor. We will miss you. All the best for all your future endeavors. #Encyclopedia.
Hi Vincent.
We wish you and your family all the very best for the future. It was great working with you. Thank you very much for everything.
Hey, hi Vincent. In fact, it's actually a sad day for me and for all of us. But I want to use this as an opportunity to express my gratitude for you. One thing is common between you and I, that we both started a new journey at RBL Bank together. I came to a new place in a new role. You also joined a new bank in a new role. It's been almost 3.5 years we're working together, and I can tell you, I've had a fantastic experience working with you. Although it's been extremely challenging for a junior to work with a senior who is having Einstein brain. But positive part, that you understand things quickly and correctly without being so descriptive, and it actually helps a lot. I was extremely sad when I heard that you were leaving RBL, and it was a great loss to the institution and to the team. But I have been lucky to have you in my life, as it's been a great learning journey with you. It's been an honor to work with a boss like you are, who is so committed for the success of his juniors. I still remember my conversation with you, where you had told me that my success is actually your success, and since then I have been following it at my level. I will try my level best to imbibe your certain qualities like being professional, extremely punctual, and a completely apolitical person. I hope that we'll be in touch, because you have been such a big part of my life. All the best for all your future endeavors. Thanks a lot.
I have like tons of amazing memories. I mean, if somebody is working with you, how can they not have great memories? Having said that, the one of my most favorite one is the one where we were out at A Club for CV Seniors dinner, and you said to Rajiv, this is one resource of mine I'm extremely proud of. मुझे काम नहीं करना पड़ता है. And for others who are hearing this video, this actually happened. I wasn't drunk. Though just the following day I was badged up for giving some wrong numbers.
Hi Vincent. I have a lot of memories during my last 2.5 years when I worked with you and interacted. Starting from the 10-minute telecom interview that you did for me and recruited. Our Coimbatore trips, where we met LGV promoter, and the pre-MCC calls that we've had, and also some of the blastings that I got from you, for good reasons.
Hi, was Kalpesh here. So, as a part of your farewell message, your beloved Kinjal has dictated us to say 3 things about you. One is the fond memory of working with you. Well, being in CEO, there are a lot of fond memories rather while working with you. One thing that comes to my mind instantly is that when you were fresh in the bank, and whenever something used to get done, we used to go and update you. You were like, "Aatu ke nachu?" Like, naach lete hai. The other memory that is very fresh is that it's a funny incident. There was a case for which you had called us for discussion in your room and in your cabin, and during discussion we found out that you didn't have your glasses, one of the glasses of your specs. So while discussing, suddenly you put your finger inside that frame, and as it is, we were dumbfounded in terms of what kind of questions you were asking, and then suddenly this thing happened, and you're like, "Kya chal raha hai?" So that was a funny incident, and
many fond memories, but the instant fond memory which comes to my mind post DMCC meeting, you got to know that I have done the chemical engineering, and you look surprised and said, "Boss, तूने क्या degree पैसा देके खरीदा क्या?" So it was so funny. Apart from that, during the exception call, Pune used to stop And whenever my turn used to come, I used to say, sir, some client we are exiting. Then you used to scold us. Boss, exit is not a solution. मुझे proper solution बता यार.
One of the early interactions Vincent had with me was through WhatsApp chat. Post the client meeting at Mumbai for one of the accounts which I was handling. Later I got to know that day he had temperature. I think that's the kind of intensity and commitment he had brought in day in and day out throughout the tenure. That's one thing I would like to imbibe in my professional career.
Hi Vincent, I don't know if you remember, but when you had joined the bank, coincidentally at the same time I was about to move to CIB team because there was a very good offer on plate. But you convinced me not to move, and honestly I haven't regretted that decision even for a single day. Primarily the reason being getting an opportunity to work under your leadership. As I keep on saying that you are a social media in himself, and one can easily with so much content available that one can easily learn and upskill oneself just by observing you. So please keep that going wherever you are. As they say, all the good things in life come to an end. So does this partnership. But we are going to send you off with a smile. So cheers till we meet you again. Bye.
Hi Vincent, this is Dhanashri, aka DK as the name you gave me. The reason I'm telling you my name is because 10 years down the line, when you will see this video again, you should remember my name. Don't ever forget it. Okay, so the two unforgettable memories I have with you is the first time you blasted on me and the last time you blasted me. The first one was when I did not remember my numbers, and the last one, the recent one, is when I joined the call really late. Trust me, I got trolled from pan-India people for that. But having said this, the most memories I have with you, I will never forget your punchlines. Like when I had told you that salary team wants to meet you, you were like, "Kyun main model hu kya?" And one more was when I had written that speech for you and I had mentioned the $5 trillion economy thrice, and you were like, $15 trillion ho gaya yaar Dhanashri.
Hi Vincent. So one of the fondest memories, or one of the memories working with you, has been for a meeting that we gone for Texpo to meet Raju Bhai. During the conversation in the end, you kind of asked Raju Bhai about some finance and account guys that you were managing or you were working with when you were managing this account as your first relationship. That kind of gave me an idea of your kind of memory and the connect you have with these guys, because after so many years you still remember those guys that you managed in the accounts and finance for Texpo and worked with during that time. Another memory has been working on the Rotex deal when we were looking at takeover of Citibank, and we were about to close the deal and we were taking over Citibank, and I had written a mail where I had for some reason written it as a hostile takeover, and you came out and you said, "I really like the word as hostile takeover."
Memory of you, fundamental memory is, apart from saying don't argue Devika, is of your kindness. You are one of the kindest people I know, Vincent. There have been moments here in the past 3 years when I have been very, very low, and despite the fact that everybody knows you don't like speaking more than 2 minutes on the phone or having long chats, somehow and during those moments when I've reached out to you, you have been most compassionate and understanding and have spent a very long time giving me perspective, and I really value that. The other memory of you is obviously that you're the WhatsApp man. I think in the 3 years spent with you, I have spoken to you 20 times perhaps on the phone, 10 of which have been in the last 2 months, and it's always been on WhatsApp, and it's been interesting to say the least. They've been friendly, they've been fiery, they've been full of scoldings, but they've been fun. Whenever you've scolded me on WhatsApp, I've always come away thinking that, this is one person who can say so much, so eloquently, in minimal words. So write that book, Vincent. I will be the first to read it.
I want to give you a hashtag, unapologetically apolitical, disciplined, work ethics like no other.
Hashtag memory king.
Non-political and merit-oriented.
Very good by heart.
Guy who inspires.
Hashtag knowledge is power. Good, yeah. Big support and motivation.
Extremely well-read, encyclopedic person, enormous thirst for knowledge and a very, very high degree of professionalism.
Sher Khan.
Informed of the industry.
Hashtag don't die.
Almost an encyclopedia.
Hashtag Vincent. V for victory. I for ideal. N for nostalgia. C for champion. E for imperial. N for noble. T for team leader. Thank you.
औरों पे करम, बच्चों पे सितम, ऐ बॉस मेरे ये जुल्म न कर। औरों पे करम, अपनों पे सितम, ऐ बॉस मेरे ये जुल्म न कर। डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग, हे बॉस डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग, हे वीवी डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डिंग डंग डंग। वीवी सेहत के लिए, वीवी सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है। वीवी सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है। हम पे थोड़ी दया तो कर, हम नन्हे बालक हैं। हम पे थोड़ी दया तो कर, हम तेरे बालक हैं। डिसिप्लिन इतना, डिसिप्लिन इतना खुद खुशी के लायक है। वीवी सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है। बोला प्रोमोटर का बर्थडे पूछ के आ, उसको फूल तू भिजवा रे, उसको फूल तू भिजवा। फिर ये बोला उसकी गाड़ी का नंबर बतला, उसका घर भी देख के आ, भैया घर तू देख के आ। MIS की झड़ी लगा दी, बन गया तू ट्रैकर। मीटिंग में मैं लेट आया, कट गए मेरे नंबर। इस बरस ना मिलेगा बोनस, अब ये हालत है। इस बरस ना मिलेगा बोनस, अब ये हालत है। डांटा तूने इतना, हाँ डांटा तूने इतना, हम चित चारों खाने हैं। वीवी सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है। अर्ली मॉर्निंग मीटिंग्स का तो है तू बड़ा हितैषी, लेट आना अपनी आदत, हम तो हैं भाई देसी। ताली बजाऊं क्या बोल के मार तूने ताने, अब आई है अपनी बारी, सुना रहे तुझे गाने। मिस करेंगे तेरी बातें, अब तो आदत है। मिस करेंगे तेरी डांटें, अब तो आदत है। अपने करियर की गाड़ी का तू तो वाहन चालक है। वीवी सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है। सिंगापुर का सिंह आ रहा, भागेगा मरलायन, तू बनेगा वहां पे जाकर सिंगापुर का आइकन। ऐसी हमरी है दुआ ये हो रहेगा सच, ऐसी हमरी है दुआ ये हो रहेगा सच। तेरे इंटेलेक्ट के, तेरे इंटेलेक्ट के इफेक्ट से कोई न पाया बच। वीवी जहाँ भी तू रहे, रहना ऐसा ही तू टंच। डिंग डंग डिंग डंग।